Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the word and confirming duplicates, because repeated letters change divisors. Once done, list letters in sorted order and pre-compute factorials up to n to save time. Now examine the first character. Count how many distinct unused letters are alphabetically smaller than it. For each smaller letter, compute permutations of remaining positions using n1 factorial divided by duplicate factorials. Sum those contributions. Make sure to keep counts updated as you fix each letter and move to the next. You continue by iterating through each position in the word and updating counts immediately after choosing a letter to fix. For each position, count smaller unused letters, and for each candidate, compute permutations of the remaining letters using the factorial formula adjusted by duplicate counts. Add those numbers to your running total. This gives partial rank. Once you finish a position, decrement the multiset count for the actual letter and move on. Keep caching factorial values to avoid recomputing and reduce errors. You finish by adding 1 to your accumulated sum to convert from 0-based count to the usual 1-based rank. Once done, validate by recomputing a small example step by step. Mismatches usually come from incorrect duplicate counts or a wrong factorial value. If you find inconsistent results, re-evaluate updates to the multiset after each fixed letter and ensure you divided by all duplicate factorials. Make sure to test edge cases like all unique and all identical letters to confirm your implementation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.